Guys, so many people reported after enabling Samsung Kids mode, so they don't know how to disable it. So I will tell you how to remove this Samsung Kids mode. So firstly, you need to check how we can enable Samsung Kids mode. So just we have here option Samsung Kids Home. So if I click on this, my phone will switch on the Kids mode. So right now I am on Kids mode. So you can do various operations here. You can play some games and some tasks. You can browse Magic Voice, some studio art is there, so you can do various activity here. So basically so many people turn on these features and they don't know how to remove it. So it's very simple, guys. If you are looking three dots at the top, and if you click on this parent control, so after clicking of this parent control you will be back, but before back it asking for some settings, that whatever settings you want to do here you can do it here. So if I click on back arrow and again I click on back arrow, then it again asks me a password. So if I press password, I will be remove, or I will be shift from kids accounts to the parent control account, guys.